Nongelam ka United Democratic Party UDP ubadiru Menteri Sorkar ubak polling do hak arpesan trik rempang. Ula ong bagi jingpyrshah Sorkar kadeka wena kidaw halor ka jingbamla le bha jong ka party haka nik election Autonomous District Council ADC ka badang syudap harilum khasi bat jaintia. Ka UDP kala job tangsan seat hak election Hakasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC Batlai seat Hajaintia Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC. Ka jingbamla ban le bha ka dei namar ki jingpyrshah Sorkar na ba ki beriu ke sngobat ba sensar thamai ukhamsar khut kumba phitip baro ba ka VPP kampat judan hakabor kumta kasuk palat lada pisusyong na gallery bat kedaw hangno dan ki jingbakla hamadan. Henry lada piladan slam hamadan kumta ru ki beriu kinsa kedaw kti ya ki jingbakla jongpi namar pihaban trebha Henry ka VPP haduk menta kampat juak bat ya ulakam sensar. Kumta kalong kabasuk ban ong bangidei ki bamdan hakabor aya kabor yangi bat ngin sa aya ka jing syakri ong ubak pol haba keren syakilat patai kabor. Haba perto ya ka Voice of the People Party VPP halor ka jingla ka jongka ban le bha uni unongelam ka UDP ula ong. Kalong kababha menta bakiladan hakakerdan kababiang banyalam ya ka isi hapok ki HADC. Ngakit bok eki batru bakin la ban pendap ya ki jingkular election ki jongki. La ka VPP kala shim kabu halur ka jingsngo melung jongki patba ubak pol ula ong. Ngalak ban ong baka rukom yalap election ka jongki kaya pher bha bat jongi. Henry sa shisin haka kamsan perthei kadan baik ka jingken ba phin kiu phin poi sya ka benta ba halor bat hadin pinsanang her suki bat poi sya try bat kiu biang. Nga tharai bakata ka ka balaja kan saja biang. Haba keli uni menteri upentip baka UDP shen kan saya kendo na kabenta banyakran. Hakabaya day baka jingmi na kanika election syaki ADC. Hoot haka kamsan perthei barabor kadan ka jingkiu ka jingher. Hoot ka jingtrekam ka jongi kaladuna bha. Kum ka parti ngin saya kendo bat bishar benya hangno kidan ka jingbakla bat ru ban persyang ban pentikna ban penyok pat ya kijaka bakhat du kibala du no ula ong.
Well, in politics, there are always ups and downs. Of course, our performance has been way below par. As a party, we will meet formally and analyze where things went wrong, and also try to ensure that recover lost ground. Well, it has been an excellent performance, and it certainly shows that it has emerged as a major player in the state's political dynamics. But again, as one of the longest and biggest regional parties, as UDP, now the task ahead of us is to ensure that we also pull our socks up and try to optimize our potential as a party. Well, we are always on the alert as a party, and if we compare our performance to the last Lok Sabha elections, we have certainly improved, but that again is not satisfactory. But comparatively, in the Lok Sabha elections, we were almost wiped out. But this time around, we managed 5 seats on our own, and HSPDP won. So in a way, it's a sign that we are recovering, but we would like the rate of recovery to be faster. Anti-incumbency, people always think that new broom sweeps well, and as you're all aware, VPP has never been in power, so it's easier when you sit from the galleries to point out where things are going wrong on the ground. But we have been on the ground for very long, so obviously people can point at your mistakes because you're supposed to perform. But VPP till today has not donned the mantle of government or power. Therefore, it's easier to say that, look, we are without power, give us power first, then we will deliver. So it's good now that they are in a comfortable position to lead the EC in the KHADC. I wish them well, and I wish they will deliver on their electoral promises. I would say that the campaign, their style of campaign, was very different from our style. But again, in politics, there is always a graph. You rise, you reach your climax, and then you start to slide down, then you reach your anti-climax, and then again you go back to the climax. I think that's how history repeats itself. Comparatively, Meghalaya elections have always been by and large peaceful and disciplined. I do not think these will have any far-reaching consequences. It's not the sort of politics that you see happening in Bengal or Bihar. So I don't attribute much to it. Jaya, if you go by the polling station wise tallies, it indicates that since there are two assembly constituencies involved, North Shillong and West Shillong constituencies, in the West Shillong constituency, the polling stations on the West Shillong, the VPP got ahead of us by 600 plus votes. And if you compare that to the Lok Sabha elections, we were last. This time we were second. Uh, but where we lost was largely because of the fact that in the North Shillong constituencies, our performance was very dismal. That thought has not crossed our mind, but in any case, we are a democratic party. If things go right, we take collective credit for it. If things go wrong, we take collective responsibility for it.